Welcome back everyone. Let's move forward with the Python programming video series. Okay, and we were actually learning about the strings concept. So string basically belongs from a data structure. So we have here uh, a problem, I could say, or I could say an example to get better concept of a string. So here they are telling us to joining and splitting words in Python. How can we just join and split the words if you're having any string? Okay, any list, how you can just join out them within a sentence, and if you're having any sentence, how you can just split that. Okay, so let's just move forward with the Visual Studio Code. And if I'll just move to watch out with this, let's say I have a S which is having the list. Let's have a set of words um, which is having hi Python programming. So I just want to join out this word. How can I do that? Simply I can use out here a new word joined, which is going to use out as empty string with the dot operator of join function. You can see IDE is already suggesting us a join function. Okay, and what do you want to join? Give that string, I mean variable. If you will just print out now join, let's just try to run it. We got the sentence, right? And in case I just want to split out a sentence, let's say I have a string s1, okay, which is saying again hi Python to world. Just for sake of understanding, I just want to make the list of it. How am I going to use it? I'm going to use it out, let's say a new, okay, I'm giving out a new word s1 dot. I just want to split out this, right? For that I need to have some common thing between this. Okay, let's say I have this words, okay, which is separated by a comma. I'm going to use out my split function, use the brackets, and from where you want to like break out the word from comma. If you're seeing out any common pattern, you can just I would say just observe the pattern. Okay, and it's giving me some error. Let's just check it out. So actually we haven't used out here the double quotation, that's why it was showing us error. You can also do one thing, because you, if you would observe a pattern, that comma is getting the separation of the whole sentence. If I'll just try to print out the word now, if you are going to run it, you'll get the answer hi Python programming into the sentence, and the same into the splitting of the list. Okay, this is how you can just use out the join function and split function to just get the separation and joining of the string. Thank you so much.